30,000 people. One email. No warning. Your tech job could be next, and you won't see it coming until it's already gone. Stay right here. On March 31st, 2026, Oracle employees woke up to termination emails sent at 6 a.m. No meeting, no manager, no heads up from HR, just a message from Oracle leadership telling them their role was eliminated, their final day was today, and their access was already gone. This is what analysts believe is the largest layoff in Oracle's 50-year history. Up to 30,000 jobs cut in a single sweep. That's 18% of their entire global workforce. But here's what makes this story truly alarming. Oracle is not struggling. Last quarter, they posted a 95% jump in net income, $6.1 billion in profit. Their future contracted revenue? $523 billion. So why are they firing 30,000 people? The answer should terrify every tech worker in America. Oracle is betting everything on artificial intelligence infrastructure. They've taken on $58 billion in new debt in just 2 months to build AI data centers. Their stock is down 25% this year. To fund this build-out, they need to free up between $8 and $10 billion in cash, fast. And the fastest way to do that? Cut the humans. Some of these roles were specifically targeted because AI is expected to make them obsolete permanently. This isn't downsizing. This is a company replacing its workforce with machines, while the profits keep rising. And before you think, this doesn't affect me, I don't work at Oracle, listen closely. We are barely finishing the first quarter of 2026, and we have already seen tens of thousands of layoffs across Oracle, Meta, Epic Games, and more. This is not one company. This is a wave. And according to insiders, the Oracle cuts aren't even finished. A second round is expected this summer to hit the 30,000 target. Who is next? Let's talk about the people. One of Oracle's very first employees, someone who gave the company over 40 years of their life, was included in this round of cuts. 40 years. Gone in an email. U.S. employees received the termination notice at 3 in the morning Pacific time. They woke up, checked their phone, and discovered they had no job. Slack accounts were deactivated immediately. Entire teams inside Oracle's Revenue and Health Sciences division saw cuts of over 30% in a single day. These were engineers, cloud specialists, senior software developers with decades of experience, all out at once. Analysts at Barclays say they expect Oracle to triple its revenue over the next few years with almost no new hiring. Think about what that means. More money, fewer people. That is the future these companies are building. The question is no longer whether AI will replace jobs in tech. The question is, when is it your turn? And are you ready? Here is what you do right now. Number 1. Start building AI-adjacent skills today, not tomorrow. Number 2. Never let company loyalty make you complacent. Even 40-year veterans got that cold email. Number 3. If this video hit different, hit that like button. It helps more people see the truth. Subscribe for the next update, because Oracle's second wave of cuts is still coming, and we will be watching.